Good morning, class 4. We were reading chapter 5, that is ways of recreation. In this chapter, we have seen some indoor and outdoor games. We have seen games at school, games at home, fun time, playing together. Ria wants to know, grandma asks, fun time, fun and fights at play. Some other means of recreation such as kite flying, circus, fair and puppet show. Now in this class we are going to start from read and reflect. So in this class we are going to revise the whole chapter. So students, open page number 25 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you. Now here I am going to read and reflect. Doing something to relax is called recreation. So in this chapter we have learned that doing something to relax is called recreation. Second, playing games as well as reading books refresh our mind. So we have seen that playing games as well as reading books refresh our mind. Now next, games can be played indoor or outdoors. So we have understood that games can be played indoors means inside or outdoors means outside. Can you tell some examples of indoor games such as chess, carom, ludo? And can you tell some examples of outdoor games? Outdoor games are cricket, hockey, football, badminton, etc. Next, playing together promotes confidence and harmony. So, we have seen that playing together promotes confidence and harmony. Next, sometimes playing together leads to fight and misunderstandings. So, we have understood that sometimes playing together leads to fight and mistreatment. Next, rules help to play fairly and resolve fights. So, we have understood that rules of the game help to play fairly and resolve fights. Next, kite flying, going to the circus, puppet show and fairs are some other means of recreation. So we have seen that kite flying, going to the circus, puppet show and fairs are some other modes of recreation. Is that clear, students? So in the next class we will do exercises of this chapter, A part, B part and C part. So today we are going to revise. Let's revise. A part, you have to do A part. So A part of let's revise is your homework. You can see some images 1 to 5. So here you have to tell or write name of these images, and after it you have to write work of these people in the yellow box. And the third, tools, you have to write tools which they use in their work. So here you have to write tools in the green box. Now the B part. Write true or false. Number 1. When a couple adopts a child, the child becomes a member of their family. This is true. Now the next. All animals give birth to their young ones. So this is true. An extended family includes those relatives who do not live with us. Extended family like uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother. So this is true. So extended family include those relatives who do not live with us. Now question 4. We should play only with our classmates. False. We should play with everyone. So here you have to write false. Now the next. Only male members take decision in every family. False. Female members can also take decisions in the family. False. So students, you have to do this work in your book. You don't need to write it in your EVS copy. So that's all for today students. In the next class, we will see hard words and fill in the blanks of chapter 5. So thank you class.